miss me? Do you want me? You don't miss me. You still love
Yeah,
me.
the pre-orders of M2 MacBook Air has been launched. The waiting time is till the end of this month for the base model, and the higher models are supposed to go till mid-August or late August because there's a major supply chain issue going on from Apple. The pricing has gone up compared to M1 Air. Should you go for it? Seeing the review of the M2 Pro MacBook Pro, it seems to be a very hot processor. It throttles a lot, and the base model has lower SSD than the M1 MacBook Pro. So is it good enough? I don't think the base model will be good at all because this one is very slim, around 11 millimeters claimed by Apple. So there is no fan, so it should heat up much more faster. So I guess people should actually go for a higher model, or maybe get the M1 Air, which is still around, and it's actually priced cheaper now. You get refurbished for around $800, $850. So there's a difference of around $300, $400 between the M1 Air and the M2 Air. Maybe go for it because Apple Silicon is the best. M1 is still untouched by any Intel or any Snapdragon, any processor in the world. So M2, I don't think you need M2 when you have the M1 Max. M1, sorry, not the M1 Max. Have a look at it. You will enjoy it. Thank you.